Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can disable private messages in Rednote application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Rednote application. Once you do so, you need to go to the main menu and this interface will show up. So from here, you need to tap on your profile and then select settings. So once you tap on settings, you need to go to privacy settings. So in privacy settings, if you scroll a bit, you will find private messages, which is on default. So once you tap on that, it will bring you to this menu. People I follow, followers that I follow back. So if you want to receive messages from only the people that you follow or the followers which you follow back as well. But if you want to disable it, just tap on off and private messages will turn off on Rednote application for you. Nobody can send you a private message if you disable this option. So guys, this is how you can disable private messages on Rednote application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I need your support. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.